Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm going to help you pay off your debt by using digital coupons. Today we have a super easy $14 challenge that anybody can do using digital coupons on their phone, stacking their deals and rolling their rewards. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to score. Then you can take the $36 that you just saved and make it as an additional payment towards your debt. I'm also going to show you a scenario using this digital booster if you have it for spend $35, get $7 in Walgreens cash. But disclaimer, doing the $14 challenge, you're actually going to get way more products for way less out of pocket compared to if you just do one transaction trying to get that digital booster. So just because we get the boosters does not mean we need to use them every single week. I didn't use them at all today, and it wound up being better because now my out of pocket cost is super low. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Brie, the Coupon Queen. My channel helps you save money on all of your family essentials using digital coupons so you can take those savings, be able to pay off your debt, and reach your financial goals. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown with the different deals, the exact transactions, the whole 9 yards, and I'm gonna explain it in this video as well. So by the end of this video, you will have the confidence to go to Walgreens, try these deals yourself, so we can start fighting inflation together and never have to pay full price on anything we ever buy ever again. Let's head inside and take advantage of these deals right now. The first deal we're going to grab is on the Dove hair care products. So you guys said that the digital coupon has been working and the reward has been printing, especially on the intense repair version. So that's what I'm going to grab. Stay tuned at the end. Of course, I'll let you know if I run into any issues. What we're going to do now is start with the transaction using the digital booster. For spend $35, get $7 in Walgreens cash. Then I'm going to show you an easy $15 challenge that you can do instead. So first we're going to grab 2 of the Dove hair care products that are $5 each. They're also buy 2, get a $4 register reward. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So for this deal, you'll pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, makes them just $1 a piece. Next deal we're grabbing is on Colgate. So these are $6 each on sale this week. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $5 register reward. We also have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna wind up paying $7, getting back a $5 register reward, makes your final cost $2 for 2 or just $1 a piece. Another option you can do is grabbing these instead. These down here are only $5 each. They're part of the same promotion. If you want to do both deals, you can, but it has to be in separate transactions. So grabbing 2 of these would be $10. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, makes these just 50 cents a piece. Next deal is on Crest toothpaste. So we're gonna grab the ones that are $4 each. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. We also have a 3 off 2 digital and $1 off 1 digital. You wanna clip those instead of the 3 off 3 because it's gonna wind up saving you an additional $1. So we're gonna save $4. You'll pay $8 out of pocket, get back the $5 register reward, makes these just $1 a piece. We're also going to grab one of the Febreze car clips here that are on sale for $3.49 for the single count, and we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon, makes it only $1.49. So let's put together this transaction as a scenario for using the spend booster. So this is the transaction that you would do if you have a spend $35, get $7 in Walgreens cash. Total for all of these products is going to be $35.49. So you cannot pay with any Walgreens cash. Then we have $14 worth of digital coupons. At checkout, you'll pay $21.49 plus taxes out of pocket. So in my opinion, that's a really high out of pocket. If you have any register rewards from previous deals, you can use that to lower your cost. You'll still earn back $14 worth of register rewards for the deals and the $7 in Walgreens cash from the digital booster. So it makes your net cost only 49 cents for 8 products. However, $21.49 is coming out of your budget to do this deal. So now let me show you how you can break this up into a simple $15 challenge. So we're going to be able to grab way more products for way less out of pocket, which is definitely the better scenario for this week. So here's your first transaction for the $15 challenge. Total for all 4 of these products is going to be $20. But when you type in your phone number, the digital coupons will come off, leaving you to pay only $12 plus taxes out of pocket. Then a $5 register reward and a $4 register reward are going to print at checkout. We're going to use those in our next transaction, so let's go take a look at those deals. Another deal we're gonna grab for our second transaction in this challenge is gonna be these Gain dryer sheets, the Moonlight Breeze 60 count. They're on sale for $3.79, and we have a $3 off one digital coupon in the Walgreens app, so clip that. So now these are the products that we're handing the cashier for our second transaction. We're also gonna give the cashier the $9 in register rewards that we just earned from our first transaction. So these will all ring in for $19.28, which is insane. But you type in your phone number, she scans the register rewards and hits total. After all the coupons and everything come off as well, you'll be left to pay just $1.28 plus taxes. You'll still get the $5 register reward to print for the crest that we're gonna use in our last transaction. We're also gonna grab one of the Dawn Power Wash for $4.99 and clip the $2 digital coupon. Next, you're gonna grab any of the face masks down here that are $2.49, and you can always put this in a little Mother's Day gift basket as well. So let's go over our final transaction. So this is your last transaction. You're not gonna get the Mother's Day cards because the digital coupon did not come off at checkout, and I don't want you guys to have any issues. So total for the Dawn and the face mask is gonna be $7.49. After the register reward comes off and the digital coupon for the Dawn, you're gonna be left to pay just 48 cents plus taxes out of pocket. So this is the total for the $14 challenge. You would have paid $13.76 plus taxes out of pocket. Plus you wound up getting a couple things for Mother's Day as well. So that is the power of rolling your rewards, learning how to do it the right way so you can do multiple transactions to get way more products than you would have originally gotten in that first transaction by using that digital booster. So let's go check out. I'll let you guys know if I run into any issues, and we'll go over my receipts at the end. We also have an insane deal on laundry products this week. They're actually on sale for $4.99, not $5.24. So that's amazing. So let me show you how you can score them for $2.74 a piece. This week they're on sale, and when you buy 4 in store, you'll get back a $5 register reward. Now there's a ton of different products included, but this is the way that I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna get a bounce dryer sheet and clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Then I'm grabbing a small Gain Flings with a $1 digital coupon, and we're gonna grab a Gain Liquid with a $1 digital coupon, plus we're gonna grab a Tide Liquid with a separate $1 digital coupon. However you wanna do it, grab 4 products. So these are the 4 that I'm grabbing. Total is $19.96. After the digital coupons come off, I'll pay $15.96, earn back a $5 register reward, makes my final cost $10.96 for 4 products, or $2.74 a piece. It has not been this cheap this entire year. So you're gonna wanna run on these deals because these products will sell out quickly. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. One issue which completely kills my $14 challenge. The flippin' Mother's Day cards would not work. Like the digital coupon would not come off. So the cashier was like, oh, like, you know, I know I'm not really supposed to kind of put it through, but I can. And I was like, no worries. Like I need to figure out if this coupon will work on anything or not, so I can share it with my audience, because he knows I do videos and stuff like that. So I had grabbed the 2 that were 2 for $5, would not come off. He scanned it again to make it like $7.50 worth of products, would not come off. Switched it and grabbed a card that was $5.99 and then a card that was 99 cents, would not come off. So if that coupon did work for you, please let us know in the comments what you wound up buying. When I get home, I'm going to switch up the written breakdown of the $14 challenge. So the breakdown will be updated for you guys by the time you're watching this video to make sure that you can still do a $14 challenge. But yeah, that is super frustrating because obviously Mother's Day is right around the corner. So if we can't get that coupon to work though, seriously, go to the dollar store. They have $1 cards and they're really nice cards. Tons of different words on them, tons of different options. So if this coupon's not gonna work, Walgreens, no worries. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree and we're gonna get a really nice card for Mom for Mother's Day. I also shared on my social media this morning, my Instagram, TikTok, everything, how you can get flowers delivered, 24 long stem roses delivered with a clear vase for less than $12. So definitely check out my social media. I'm sharing a bunch of Mother's Day gifts and stuff. Now that I'm a mom, is literally like my favorite holiday in the entire world. Like there's nothing more that I love of being a mom, and like my son is just my absolute world. So I love Mother's Day and just being able to celebrate that with all the other moms out there. So let's go over my transactions. I did them a little bit different compared to the $14 challenge because I needed to stock up on some more laundry products, and to get them for $2.74 a piece, absolute steal. I could not pass up on that opportunity. So 1, 2, 3. Do you guys see too? This, I don't know if you guys can really see it. I got so freaking sunburned on when it was like overcast the other day. It was literally cool out. It was like 60 something degrees. Didn't even think to put sunscreen on. Got fried. I literally look like a lobster on my back. It hurt so bad. Anyway, side note, random. Okay, so let's go over my transactions. The first transaction, I did the exact same thing as the $14 challenge. So the Colgate and the Dove. Digital coupons came off fine. Paid $12 plus tax. Then I got the register rewards. They printed just fine. So maybe the Dove is actually fixed. Amazing. So thank you guys for commenting and letting me know that at least the intensive repair, whichever one I grabbed, is working. My next transaction. Oh, it was this one. Yep. I did the Dawn Power Wash, the Gain, dryer sheets, and then I grabbed the Crest. So I used the 2 register rewards that I just got. All the digital coupons came off, paid $278 plus taxes out of pocket. And then I did get back the $5 register reward for the Crest that I used in my last transaction, where I wound up grabbing all of the, oh, there's a love bug. Hey, dude. All of the laundry products. Used the $5 register reward. All the digital coupons came off. Plus I used $5 in Walgreens cash that I had on my account. Paid $7.36, including taxes out of pocket. So now, this is how I'm able to do this and put it towards my debt. You've got to make sure you're tracking your spending. That's part of the whole process. So I'm going to show you the budget spreadsheet that I use at home. It's very simple. If you guys want to build your own, buy someone else's, or if you want to download mine, I'll link it for you guys, or it'll be linked in the description box. But let me show you very quickly how we can do this. I honestly take 60 seconds when I get back home from going to the store to be able to track my spending and see exactly how much I can put towards my debt every single week. So let's do it together. So we're back home from Walgreens. I have my spreadsheet opened under the May tab. So what we're gonna do is enter in 1 line per receipt. I did 3 receipts, so we're doing 3 lines. Keep it very simple. So first we're gonna put in the date. So today is the 5th. Oh, not 56. Then in the drop down, we're going to click on the store. Now for sale price, you're doing just that. What are all the sale prices? Not the regular retail price, the sale price of all the products in each transaction. So my first receipt, we are going to add up the sale prices. We got the Colgate and the Dove. Total for that was $20, right? That's the sale price. They were $5 each on sale. How much did I pay out of pocket? How much did I swipe my card for at checkout, including taxes, everything? What did you pay? I paid $12.70. Did you earn any cash back? No, I did not. Okay, next line is going to be my next transaction, which was the Dawn, the Gain dryer sheets, and the Crest. So $20.78 is the price for all the sale prices. Out of pocket, I paid $3.39 and no cash back. And my last transaction was the laundry deal. So that was $19.96 in product value. Out of pocket, I paid $7.36 and no cash back. So now it's going to help me calculate. All the formulas are already done. So if you guys download this, everything's going to be done for you. All you have to do is enter in your data. Now it's going to calculate for you. I saved $156 so far this month, and we're still in the first week of May. So now at the end of the month, what you're going to do is you're going to open your spreadsheet, see exactly how much money you've saved to the penny, so you can take that and make it as an additional payment toward your debt. That is how we are going to be debt-free, by using simple digital coupons. So you can follow this every single week like I do. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to come to my free live class where I'm going to be breaking this down in a lot more depth, going over my 5 steps, how I've paid off over $16,000 of debt by doing this, click the free live class link right here, and that way you guys can register. It's completely live. I do a giveaway during the live as well, so definitely set an alarm so you don't miss out. I will see you guys there. Bye.